Hi honey, how's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. I'm kind of PO'd right now at hubby. This man keep tearing up everything in the house. Then I'm going to have to see about getting it fixed. So I'm kind of mad. It's my mad face. I'm going to use my Mainstays personal blender. I got some water in the bottom of this cup. I'm going to make a smoothie out of some fruit I've had for a while in the bottom of the freezer. Got some watermelon balls, and it has frost all up in this bag. But frost is ice, so I'm gonna use it. Put frost on there. This ice. Okay. I was also eating these straight out the bag. And I have some strawberries, and I've been hearing such nasty things about strawberries. Now, lately, if you put them in water and then put salt in them, a bunch of bugs and stuff will start crawling out. Let me use these up. This got frost in it too. Now there's no holes in this bag, so I don't know where all the frost come from. This was a brand new bag I just opened. This is old. Not that much. Trying to break them apart. And I'm actually allergic to strawberries. But I love them. Okay, I can't break anymore. And I got some frozen peaches. There's frost in here too, and I'm just not opening this bag. So I don't know. I don't understand where all this frost is coming from. I hope this tastes good. I haven't had any food today, and it's 5:04. I'm kind of too upset to eat. And I saw that, you know, the drawer in the refrigerator that you keep bacon in and hot dogs and stuff, it's hanging. And ain't nobody here but me and hubby. So I didn't do it. Yeah, I'm mad. These need to go in the, I don't know. I'll see how this tastes. If it don't taste right, I'll just buy fresh and get rid of that. So I'm hoping that's enough liquid. Okay. Mash this down some more. Here's the base, well, the blade base on this tumbler, personal tumbler. Making sure it's screwed on here tight without cracking this plastic. So the water, ain't nothing leaking. This is my first time using this, y'all. I had this out just in case. Some sliced pears. I'll see how this does. I'll see what I'm doing. loud too. Oh wow. Let me shake it. There's nothing leaking. Oh, I see a drip. Where's it dripping from? Okay. Is that condensation or what? This ain't wet. That's not wet in there. Taking a long time to blend up this little stuff. I keep feeling, and I don't see where the leak is coming from. If it's going to be leaking, they can have it back. I want it to be like a fruit slushy. I think I might need something with a little more wattage, because this shouldn't take this long for this little dab. Okay. Let me shake it down. I don't know where it's leaking from. Can't have it leaking in the base. Okay. Oh, it's good and sweet. You know what I'm putting in here? Just a minute. Okay, I got me a packet of True Orange. Let me put that in there. I'll probably use a little more liquid. It's going to give it more of a twang. I'm going to put some more water in here. I'll put some more water in here. I'm going to put this back on here. Okay, gotta start it right. This it ain't screwing on here. Okay, tight. Let's see. Okay. Now. Okay, nice and smooth. I can put this on. This is the lid. Since this is a personal tumbler, it comes with this lid. put a straw in here, or I can sip it out of here. I'm using this. Let's see how this stuff tastes. I hope this straw is big enough. That real orange stuff made it tart. It's sweet, it's good, it's smooth. And all that ice and frost in the bags of fruit didn't affect the flavor of the fruit. This is good, y'all. This is good. Really, really good. Okay. This is my review of the Mainstays. No, it's not my review, it's my demo of the Mainstays personal blender. And I bought this from Walmart. I think it was $9.97 or something like that. Thumbs up. Now how long this will last, I don't know. But for now, I like it a lot. They could make this even better if this was stainless steel and insulated. Then your smoothie would stay cold. Right now this is ice cold from all that frost ice and that frozen fruit. This is really good. Okay. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Even if you didn't like this video, give me a thumbs up. Leave a nice comment and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. What is this? This is Friday. Have a blessed weekend. And stay safe. Okay, bye. I just washed, rinsed this off, and dried it well. So this is how I'm going to store it, because this is sharp. Just going to put it down on this base like that. And push it aside. This would be dangerous if I did it this way. So putting the blades down, because I'm using the cup. Okay. I'm going for real now. Bye.